Welcome to another quick and easy tutorial for making your Pinterest browsing experience smoother and more focused. If you've noticed an increasing number of ads, especially those specifically about Pinterest itself, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn them off using the app's ad personalization settings. This guide is up to date and will walk you through every step so you can get back to inspiration without unwanted distractions. Let's dive in. First, open the Pinterest app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account, so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're inside the app, look for the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few icons. Tap the one that represents your profile. This is usually located at the far right and looks like a little person or your profile picture. When you tap your profile picture, you'll be taken to your personal Pinterest page. At the top of your screen, you might see your boards, pins, or profile information. Now, look for the settings icon. It's often represented by 3 dots or a gear symbol in the upper corner. Tap on that to open the settings menu. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Data. This is where Pinterest keeps most of its important privacy and ad-related controls. Tap into this section, and you'll see a variety of options related to your data and how Pinterest uses it. Among these options, you'll find settings specifically for ads and personalization. Look for the setting called Ads About Pinterest. This is the option that controls whether you see advertisements promoting Pinterest itself, things like new features, updates, or special campaigns directly from Pinterest. Next to this setting, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. That's it. You've just disabled Ads About Pinterest in your personalization settings. Now, when you browse your home feed or explore new pins, you'll see fewer ads specifically from Pinterest. Remember, this won't remove all ads from the platform, but it does help clean up your feed and lets you focus on the content you love most. If you ever want to turn these ads back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch on again. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making your favorite apps work better for you. See you next time.